there! You look like someone who's ready to get your CAT5 ready. You've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to show you how to terminate a CAT5 cable. Let's talk about what you'll need. Make sure you have a CAT5 cable, a standard RJ45 toolkit, a cable tester, and cable terminators. All set? Good, let's begin. First, cut the cable to the appropriate length, but don't coil up a mountain of cable. Once you have the appropriate length, cut the cable. Next, remove about 1.5 inches from the outer jacket, exposing the 4 pairs of wires inside. You're doing great. Now for the fun stuff. Arrange your wires using the T568B standard. Order them orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, brown. Give the wires a little wiggle to straighten them out. Time for a haircut! Trim the wires so they are even and no longer than ½ an inch from the end of the jacket. Looking sharp! Now let's get the connector ready to party. Check that the wire channels are open and the tab is facing down. If it's facing up, you're going to have a bad time. Carefully insert the wires into the RJ45 connector. Make sure each wire is in the proper slot touching the back of the connector and properly aligned with the wiring standard. Now it's time to crimp the wires. Carefully crimp the connector onto the wires using the crimping tool. Apply steady, even pressure until you've bottomed out your crimpers. Give it a second crimp. And a third, for good measure. You might think there's only one crimp going on here, but there's two. One on the jacket and one on each of the wires. If you inserted the wires all the way to the end of the connector, the primary crimp should easily grab the wires, and the secondary strain relief should grab the jacket. Well done! You've successfully terminated one end of the CAT5 cable, but you're not done yet. There's a whole other end of the cable that needs terminating. Repeat the process for the other end of the cable. I'll wait. There you go! Before we can officially call this a job well done, we must test the cable. Test the cable using the cable tester to ensure the connections are properly made and the cable is transmitting data correctly. If the tester shows all wires are active, that means you passed with flying colors. Congratulations! You have successfully terminated a CAT5 cable, and you've successfully completed your task.